So they're the boxes complete. I really like the curly grain and the burls on the top of the boxes. I think that's a really cool feature. If you're interested in buying a box for yourself, they're all on Etsy. A link to my Etsy store will be in the description down below. And as a deal, if you were to buy a box, I'm going to chuck in a set of my beer barrel coasters. I think it's Father's Day coming up soon, maybe. So that'll be a pretty good gift. I just want to thank Powell, Gottlieb and Scott Anderson for becoming a new patron. I've already written your names on a little plaque and added them onto the Patreon beam. I hope you guys are enjoying all the perks of becoming a patron. Here are some of the exclusive videos I've uploaded recently. And my next Patreon only video will be on this really cool lathe jig for helping you batch out turn components for chair legs, table legs, stair banisters. It's a really cool jig that batches them out really quickly and makes them all the same. So if you're interested in that, if you're interested in all the exclusive content, your name in the workshop, early releases and discounts on my store, then feel free to become a patron. Anything helps. All the information is down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit different to the one I normally do. It's a bit slower, more relaxing, so I'm interested to hear what you think about it in the comments down below. If you did like it, make sure you give it a like. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for the next video. Bye!